Today's recipe is a meal prep idea for baked tilapia. We're going to start by adding the following ingredients into our blender. And the salt is going to vary depending on how much tilapia you make. I'm making 6 fillets, so I'm going to add a small chunk of red onion into my blender. And then I'm going to add about half of this yellow pepper. And I'm going to cut that in chunks and add that to the blender. Next I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And 1 teaspoon of salt. I added 2 halves, that's why it was twice. Ended up adding 1 teaspoon. And a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And we're gonna just press our lime so the juices get flowing. And we're gonna squeeze the juice of 1 lime into our blender also. And if you need, you can add more lime or a little bit of water if it's too thick for you, but this gave it the perfect consistency, so I was fine with it. I didn't have to add any water or lime or anything, just as it was. And now blend it until it's nice and smooth. And here's what you get. Now you're gonna place your fillets on a baking sheet. I always line my baking sheet with aluminum foil, and you're just gonna pour on the top of your fillets to cover them. You can use a spoon, I'm just pouring it over like that. And now they're ready to bake for 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. And after you bake them, they're ready to make your meal preps. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my recipes. I upload Monday through Thursday, and as always, thanks for watching. Talk to you next video.